Hello, I'm Julien Cochard, Product Marketing Manager at Teledyne E2V. In this video, I would like to tell you about one thing that we are doing to help you design cost-effective and flexible RF receivers. What I want to tell you about is a feature that is embedded in our latest product, the EV12AQ600. The EV12AQ600 is an analog to digital converter, C-band capable, with a sampling rate up to 6.4 gigasamples per second. It can be used in radar systems, satellite communications, time domain applications, and many others. So what's so special about that product that it can help you reduce costs in RF receivers? That's a feature that we call the correspond switch. The correspond switch, or CPS, can transform the AQ600 from a one-channel ADC to a four-channel ADC. Thanks to this feature, if you design a system that needs one channel, you can reuse the hardware as is in another system that uses four channels. Let's take an example. If you are a SATCOM payload designer and you want to digitize the highest bandwidth possible in Ka-band, then you will look for a higher sampling rate. So what you could do is set the correspond switch to one channel mode, and with the AQ600 you will get up to 3.2 GHz bandwidth. Here is what it would look like in real life. So now, let's assume that you have a new payload to design with a 500 MHz bandwidth requirement that performs digital beamforming. In digital beamforming applications, there's often many channels, and so you might want to have as many channels as you can in the same chip to reduce the overall system size. So what you could do is set the correspond switch to 4-channel mode. And that's it. With some very simple configuration changes, we've gone from one channel ADC to a 4-channel ADC. And that's the correspond switch. There's something else that's special about that correspond switch. It's its architecture. It has an open amplifier with remote load architecture. So you might wonder, how does that make my life easier? Well, thanks to this architecture, the S21 parameter is the same whatever the mode, 1, 2 or 4 channels. It means that when you change mode, you don't need to adjust the RF interface because the chip behavior will be exactly the same. So that's what makes your life easier. So in a nutshell, the correspond switch offers flexibility, simplicity and cost savings. Flexibility because it supports many different modes. Simplicity because it's easy to switch between the modes. And cost savings because you can reuse the hardware that you've developed for one system into another system. The EV12AQ600 actually has many other nice features like this, such as the in-hop performance enhancements, the sampling delay adjust, the easy multi-chip synchronization, all intended to make your life easier so that you can focus on where you really make a difference to the competition. If you want to try it, we have evaluation boards for you that you can see on the screen right now. And if you have any other question, please contact us and we'll be more than happy to answer your question and support your project. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.